Ever found yourself staring blankly at Photoshop, completely lost in a sea of unfamiliar words? Don't worry, changing the language in Photoshop is easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you through it in a matter of seconds. First, click on Edit in the application menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear. Then navigate down to Preferences. Hover over Preferences, and a submenu will pop out to the side. Select Interface. The Preferences window for Interface would then pop up. Look for UI language. This will be at the top of the settings below the Appearance section. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of all the languages available inside the program. Now simply select the language you prefer to use. I will select English. After selecting a language, Photoshop will display a prompt asking you to restart the application. This is a crucial step. You must restart the application for the changes to take effect. Close Photoshop and reopen it. And there you have it. Photoshop will now be displayed in your chosen language. Simple, right? If you found the video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.